Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Michael Plays here, and I'm back with another video. But today I'm playing with a hoverboard. Ah! Okay. So right now I'm trying to get control of it. It's white. Right there. You saw it. And I'm just strolling around the house right now with the hover. And yeah, so I'm going to do a showcase for you guys. I was trying to do a news flash, but I didn't. And my sister wants to try and go on it with a helmet. And yeah, so I'm going to try and get off. There we go. Okay. So let's just turn this thing off right now. I'm gonna pause it so you can see guys. So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen, the hoverboard. So I was riding on this thing. My mom was just trying it out when I came back from my dad's house today. I'm pretty sure you can only do it with your feet, because you need to take control with your toes, right? And yes, I'm going to play around with this right here. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, right now my mom is with the hoverboard. Okay, come back here. She's just rolling. And then after, I guess I can go a little. Wait, there we go. Okay. Let's go. Tally ho! Look at the way how she just, oh, you just put it on there. You just put it there and do that. How do you do that? It's amazing! It's so amazing. If we had another hoverboard, that would be awesome. Huh? That's what you know. That's what you said. I'm just saying it would be awesome if we got another. Okay. Now it's my turn. My turn with the hoverboard. Got it?
That's my kid with the hoverboard. 10-year-old kid with a hoverboard. How awesome is that?
And that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to show you this though. I just created this awesome looking car made out of Lego, and I guess I could show you guys how it goes like. So yeah, just wait. Okay, here is my car right here. It's made out of Lego. It has 125 pieces. I know this is like a hoverboard one, but I also want to like this. So if you pull it back, it will move, and it's really fast. I don't wanna show you guys how fast it goes because it's really fast. See that? It can actually go faster. You just wait and see. Look, bro, what was that? Come on! Come on! And the driver's name is Player One. See that? Hear that? That's how long the durability is for the charge. So I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I will see you guys later. And I wanted to say, bye dudes. I'm a nerd. I'm called Player One. And now I'm gonna stop this video. No, don't.